Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, I'm going to be presenting what I believe to be some of the best car detailing brushes on the market right now, the Detail Factory detailing brushes. Now, these are some of the softest available as well. They're very popular. You've probably seen them in many YouTube videos or car detailing videos. So I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about them. So the different types, different sizes, you're going to see them in action. And without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you're having a great day. So today we're talking about car detailing brushes. Now we all know how important it is to have some good quality brushes when you're doing car detailing. So whether you're a professional, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who wants to get the job done right, well, you want to have some high quality brushes in your detailing arsenal. So the Detail Factory released some incredible brushes that are absolutely amazing. By the way, they sponsored this video, so a big shout out to Dylan over at the Detail Factory. Thanks for making this video possible. And by the way guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for the instructions on how you guys can participate towards the end of this video, because I'll be giving away a couple of sets of these brushes for you guys to win, so stay tuned. But essentially, so they have two different types and different sizes. So they have the synthetic version. So these are the ultra soft detail brushes. So they come in two lengths, the large and the small, if we can look at them right here. And the other version is the Boar Hair. So this is a natural fiber. So this is for the more aggressive and tougher detailing jobs. So again, you get the large version and you get the small version of these brushes. Now, you've probably seen these brushes in action and used by many detailing professionals on YouTube, including Jim over at White Details, Joe at the Car Cleaning Guru, and also Levi from the Rag Company. So a big shout out to all those three YouTubers. Great channels, by the way. So if we look at them individually, well, first of all of these brushes have the same key features, and there are a lot of things that make these brushes very high quality. So let me bring this in for a close-up and let's have a look at what makes these so amazing. So first of all, this one here is the ultra soft detailing brush. So the bristles in the end are synthetic fibers. So as you can see here, these are very, very soft and plush. And every single one of the Detail Factory brushes has some key common features that are absolutely amazing. So first of all, they're ergonomically designed and the handle profile makes them easy to hold in your hand. There is also a textured grip. So if we have a closer look here, you can see this textured grip. So this is where your fingers go. It's a balanced at the grip area to minimize user fatigue. So these are very lightweight and ergonomically designed, so you can detail for a long period of time without getting fatigue in your hands or fingers. They're also chemical resistant, so the handles are in this form of a plastic that's chemical resistant. Also, they're metal-free construction, so it's going to prevent scratching. If you accidentally hit any surface, these will not scratch the surface. And of course, in the end, here you have a hole, so you can hang them once you're done using them. So when you're done using them, you can simply take your brush, you hang them on a hook, and that's it. It's good for the next use. These versions here are the soft, ultra soft bristles, so synthetic fibers. And again, these are designed to be the softest possible brushes on the market. They're designed for general purpose, light duty cleaning of sensitive automotive surfaces, meaning that they're ideal for instrument and infotainment panel dusting and cleaning. So you guys all know those big screens that you have in your car. You want to minimize the chances of those getting any scratches, because when there is a bit of dust on there, you want to make sure that you don't scratch anything while you're detailing them. Also, they're great for detailing around badges and emblems. So when you're washing the car outside and you want to clean those badges and emblems, well, it's perfect for that. So basically any job that doesn't need a brush that's too aggressive or any very sensitive area that's prone to scratching, I think of those piano black finishes inside many modern cars. So you want to use these to minimize any possibility of scratching. These are so soft. Now they come in a variety of colors. You get them in this gray. They also come in black, or this red. There's also a special edition from the rag company that's in blue. And by the way, guys, I kept it simple for you because I included the links to all these brushes in the description down below for you guys to check them out. So the second version, and again, they come in two different sizes, small and large, is the Boar Hair bristle brushes. So these ones are a bit more aggressive. So if you need them for any exterior use, for example, your wheels, your brake calipers, you can also use these for your tires if you want to. Any exterior trim, those exhaust tips as well, any chrome parts, even on textured interior plastics. Now this is very good, basically on anything that you need them with a bit more aggressive cleaning power. So you can see here, these are natural fibers in the end, so they give you a bit more scrubbing action. And essentially, well, these are great for engine bay detailing. Like I said, your brake calipers, your exhaust tips, if you need scrubbing to textured interior plastics, or basically any other surface of the vehicle that needs heavier cleaning action. Maintenance of these brushes is also an important thing, and as you guys all know, I like to give cool tips and tricks on how to use products and tools on my channel. So they give you a very, very simplified instruction. So first of all, this comes in every package. So essentially, this is the Detail Factory card. And in the back here, you get their care and maintenance. So it's very, very simple. Essentially, after each use, simply rinse it thoroughly, and then you gently squeeze to remove the excess water, and you hang them with the bristles hanging downwards for the next use, and this way you'll maximize their lifespan. A quick note on the Boar Hair brushes versions. Well, they're a bit prone to shedding when they're brand new, but after a couple of uses, this goes away. And also, as they age, well, they soften when they're wet, so the bristles get softer when wet. And again, the little tips in the end can split because these are natural fibers, but it'll still be good for many years to come. And this is typical and very normal for any Boar Hair brushes styles. So essentially, again, these are some amazing, amazing detail brushes. I think they deserve to be in everyone's arsenal. So again, make sure you check the links in the description down below for you guys to check them out. But essentially, what I decided to do is to partner up with Detail Factory to offer you guys a chance to win them in a giveaway. So we're gonna select 2 winners, and each winner will get their choice of 4 brushes from the Detail Factory. So they'll get 1 small ultra soft brush, 1 large ultra soft brush, 1 small Boar Hair brush, and 1 large Boar Hair brush. And you guys are gonna be able to select or mix and match whatever colors you guys want. Now, to participate, it's very, very simple. So number 1, you have to make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So you can click the subscribe button found under this video, and at the same time, you'll never miss my future videos if you're subscribed to my channel. Number 2, you have to make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section down below telling me why you'd want to win these brushes, and make sure you leave your email address so that way I can email the winners and we can send the prizes out to you guys. Also, if you want to participate, it's only open to US residents, so people living in the United States of America. So pretty simple. Again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and then drop a comment in the comment section down below with your email address, so that way I can reach out to you guys if you're the winners. Now I'm going to announce the winners roughly 2 weeks after the video goes live on my channel, so stay tuned. I'll announce the winners on the YouTube, in the YouTube comment section under the video, and also on all my social media. So Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Links to my social media if you want to follow me are in the description down below. So again, guys, these brushes from the Detail Factory are absolutely amazing, and I'm convinced that they should be a part of every detailer's arsenal, whether you're a professional detailer, a mobile detailer, a DIY enthusiast, or just somebody that wants to get the job done right. Well, these brushes are amazing. They're super soft. They won't damage any surface you use them on. They're great for automotive detailing, but also I'm sure you guys will find many uses for them around your house. So again, I'll drop the links to all these brushes in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. I want to give another shout out to Dylan over at the Detail Factory for sponsoring this video and making this possible. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button. Also, if you want to see future videos about car detailing tips, tricks, techniques, products, tools, and equipment, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. Thanks for being there, guys. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.